Hello everyone, welcome back to Life Means More. Hope you are all having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to tell you 10 fun ways to help your kids fall in love with nature in these summer vacations. Summer is the perfect time to get outdoors and explore the wonders of nature with your kids. With longer days and warmer weather, you can engage in exciting and educational activities that not only keep them entertained but also spark their curiosity about the world around them. Whether you are trekking through the lush hills of Coorg, kayaking through serene mangrove forests in Goa, or participating in a beach cleanup in Chennai, these activities are sure to inspire a love for nature and a deeper understanding of environmental conservation. So pack your bags and get ready to make this summer one to remember with these unique family-friendly experiences across India. Number 1. Firefly watching in Maharashtra. Where to go? Purushwadi, Rajmachi or Bhima Shankar Wildlife Sanctuary. What to do? Visit these locations in late May or early June to witness thousands of glowing fireflies lighting up the night sky. Take an evening nature walk or camp overnight for an unforgettable experience. So why it is unique? Fireflies create a magical spectacle, offering kids a chance to learn about bioluminescence and the importance of preserving natural habitats. Number 2. Tea plucking in Munnar, Kerala. Where to go? Kolukkumalai Tea Estate or Kannan Devan Hills. What to do? Let your kids try their hands at plucking tea leaves while learning about the tea making process. Tour a tea factory and sip freshly brewed tea while enjoying breathtaking views. Why it is unique? Kids can experience firsthand how tea is grown and processed, making them appreciate the work behind their everyday cup of chai. Number 3. Night safaris in Jim Corbett, Uttarakhand. Where to go? Jim Corbett National Park. What to do? Take a guided night safari through the forest and spot nocturnal creatures like leopards, civets and owls. Listen to the sounds of the jungle while learning about its ecosystem. So why it is unique? The thrill of exploring nature after dark sparks curiosity and builds an appreciation for wildlife conservation. Number 4. Mangrove kayaking in Goa. Where to go? Chapora River, Nerul backwaters or Zuari River. What to do? Paddle through serene mangrove forests, spotting crabs, kingfishers and other coastal wildlife. Kids can learn about the role of mangroves in protecting coastlines. Why it is unique? This eco-friendly adventure is a mix of fun and education, helping kids understand the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. Number 5. Turtle hatching in Odisha. Where to go? Rushikulya Beach or Gahir Matha Marine Sanctuary. What to do? Visit from March to June to watch thousands of olive ridley turtle hatchlings make their way to the sea. Conservationists often guide visitors on how to observe without disturbing them. Why it is unique? Seeing tiny turtles take their first steps into the ocean is a heartwarming experience that teaches kids the importance of wildlife conservation. Number 6. Coffee and Spice Farm Exploration in Coorg, Karnataka. Where to go? Local plantations in Madikeri or Chikmagalur. What to do? Walk through coffee and spice farms, smelling fresh cardamom and pepper while learning about sustainable farming practices. Why it is unique? Kids get to see how their favorite spices and coffee grow while enjoying a sensory-rich experience in lush greenery. Number 7. Build a bird feeder and track birds. Where to go? Your own backyard or parks like Keoladev National Park, Bharatpur. What to do? Create a DIY bird feeder using recycled materials and observe visiting birds. Encourage kids to track different species and their behaviors. Why it is unique? This activity nurtures patience, observation skills, and a sense of responsibility for local wildlife. Number 8. Eco treks and village walks in Meghalaya. Where to go? Maulinong, Cherrapunji, or Dauki. What to do? trek through living root bridges, visit clean villages and learn from locals about sustainable living. So why it is unique? Kids gain hands-on exposure to eco-friendly ways to life while appreciating Meghalaya's stunning landscapes. Number 9. Beach cleanup and sand art in Chennai. Where to go? Marina Beach or Alloyds Beach. What to do? Participate in a community beach cleanup followed by a fun sand art session. Explain the impact of plastic pollution on marine life. So why it is unique? This combines creativity with environmental responsibility, making kids more conscious of their actions. And number 10. Stargazing and camping in Ladakh. Where to go? Pangong Lake or Nubra Valley. What to do? Set up camp under the vast Himalayan sky and use a telescope to observe constellations, planets and shooting stars. So why it is unique? With minimal light pollution, Ladakh offers one of the best night skies in India, making it a dream for budding astronomers. So friends, India offers a diverse range of destinations perfect for a summer vacation with your kids. Whether your family loves exploring nature, indulging in adventure or discovering cultural heritage, there is something for everyone. These kid-friendly locations not only provide fun and excitement but also offer valuable learning experience. So pack your bags, choose your favorite spot and embark on an exciting summer adventure with your little ones. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful and interesting, please like it and share it with your friends. Subscribe the channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.